This video is about idioms and problems. When you have a problem, do you ask for help, try to solve it yourself, or just hope it goes away? Think about what you usually do. Read this short story and find the idioms. To help you, the idioms are highlighted in bold. How many idioms can you spot in this text? Let's look at the first idiom. Once in a blue moon. What does John mean when he hopes this problem only happens once in a blue moon? Next is to have a heart of gold. Based on the conversation between Julia and Alice, what is the best definition for this idiom? Is it to be kind and generous, to wear an expensive necklace, or to be strong and healthy? Now consider the phrase, put your head in the sand. If she knows there's a problem but puts her head in the sand, what does that mean? Does it mean to ignore a problem, look for something, or think very hard? Eric needs advice, but Peter tells him he'll just have to bite the bullet. Does Peter mean that Eric must ignore the problem, or face the problem and deal with it now? James is asking Teresa for help, but she replies, the ball is in your court. What did Teresa mean? Is James responsible for the next action, or are they going to play tennis together? The next idiom is making a mountain out of a molehill. What does this phrase mean? Does it mean making a small problem seem very big, going for a walk in the mountains, or building something with soil? Humans love to create. So why do we use idioms? Do they help us say things more quickly and creatively, or are they easy to translate into other languages? Let's review all the idioms. Choose the correct answer for each idiom definition, A, B, or C. And to cap it off, here is one last idiom for this video. If you say, you really hit the nail on the head, what does this phrase mean? A, to cause a new problem. B, to finish a difficult task quickly. C, to be exactly right about something. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video on idioms and problems.